You just got a 1-star review. You had no idea it was coming. That customer placed an order 12 days ago. They were unhappy. And instead of telling you, they told the internet. That's not a review problem. That's an intelligence problem. Dope reaches your customers before they reach the internet. Call, WhatsApp, email, SMS. Up to 47% response rates. By the time a bad review could go live, you already know. And you've already acted. A bad experience caught early is a customer saved. Low rating detected. Auto ticket created. Agent assigned. Win back triggered. All without you lifting a finger. You think you know your best customers. Dope makes sure you're right. Real-time NPS. Promoters, passives, detractors. Lifetime value compared in rupees, not percentages. Clone your best customers. Cut your CAC. Export your highest NPS cohort. Feed it into Meta or Google as a lookalike audience. Stop guessing at targeting. Start finding people who actually buy. Your ICP straight from your customers' mouths. Dope captures the exact words your customers use to describe you. That language becomes your ad copy, your product pages, your positioning. Your brand's honest health report. Private, real-time, yours alone. Brand reputation score visible only to you. Revenue at risk shown in actual numbers, not a vanity metric, a working one. Dope watches every marketplace, so you don't have to. Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Meesho, every SKU tracked. Bad SKUs caught before your store. One platform instead of 5. Review collection, feedback analysis, NPS tracking, actionable tickets, marketplace monitoring, Shopify analytics, data export. Runs on autopilot. No data team needed. 100 plus brands already know something you don't. Jeff Bezos once said, "Your brand is what people say about you when you're not in the room." Most brands have never actually listened. Dope puts you in every room. Know every customer. Grow every order. Install Dope and stop finding out too late.